Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today me and Nugget have another unboxing for you. Come here, Nugget. Right, we got some presents to open. Should we see what we got? Well, so I have two packages today from two different sellers, and I think I might have two plants in each one. I don't remember, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Both boxes look like they're in pretty good condition this time. They're not smashed up like I've been experiencing the last few times, but this one is from Marissa Merriman, and just like before, I'll leave their contact info or shops or whatever in the description, and I'll also leave the plants that I got. I don't remember if she has a business or a greenhouse, or if she's just like an independent seller. I'm not sure, but that will be in the description for you. And I don't remember what plants I got either. Oh, I see a pot. Okay, looks like there's two things. So we got paper in here to pack so stuff isn't falling around in there. So I have this in here and this little guy, and yeah, I don't remember what I ordered from her, so I'm just gonna start out with the big one. Whoa, what did you get, Nugget? What is that? Did you find a toy? Oh boy. Okay, sure, you can have that. Okay, this is a Frizzle Sizzle. I don't know what the actual name of them is, like the scientific name, but their common name is Frizzle Sizzle. Woo, look at this boy. He's kind of droopy from being in there, but do you love this, Nugget? Whoa, what is it? You don't eat it, Nugget. You can just look. You can just look. You don't eat it. Okay. Nugget likes this one too. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, so I am really excited about this. A lot of his soil spilt out in the package, so I'm going to have to put some new soil in there. But, okay, Nugget, be nice. Be nice, Nugget. You don't eat the plants. This guy is so cool. These are a bulb. Okay, I know you're so excited, Nugget. I know. That's really awesome. That's so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Now this little guy, I feel like this might be, no, I don't remember what this is. What is this, Nugget? What is this stuff? Oh yeah, I remember now. It's a Hoya retusa. And, oh, he's kind of smashed. Let's see. I think it'll be fine. I know this box says Logi's on it, but this is not from Logi's. That is a plant company though. They have an online store. Oh my gosh, I forgot I ordered this guy. I'm so excited. Okay, it looks really like bent up and stuff right now because it was in that little package, but this is a Hoya retusa, and their leaves are so long and slender. This one is nice. These ones sticking up are in really nice shape still, but these are super cool. I'm so excited for this guy. Hoyas are like a trailing plant, so this will get a lot bigger and it will trail down and flower, of course. So this little guy is so cute. I'm so excited because I forgot that I got this. I'm just gonna put these guys over here. So that was from Marissa. Thank you, Marissa. Now this one is from Justin Elchinsky, I think is how you say it. And I'm pretty sure he has a greenhouse or a company but I can't remember. So again, his info will be in the description box along with the plant names. Oh, Tropical Terrariums. That's his business. Oh, that's a cute little logo. Hopefully that's showing up. I'll put his contact info in the description box though. Okay, we got some newspaper. Whoa. Oh, that's smart. Okay. It looks like I got 2 things from him. And again, I don't remember what I ordered from him. I know I was really excited though, but I can't remember. Oh yeah, this is another Cissus, or one is. I don't remember what's in this other thing. So I'll open that first since I can see the tag. So he has these wrapped in damp newspaper inside this baggie to keep the moisture in, which is a really good idea. So this guy is Cissus Amazonica. I don't know if you guys can hear Nugget purring right now. She's sitting right in front of the camera, but she's really enjoying watching me open this. You love when we get presents from the mailman, right, Nugget? And just like in, I think the last video that I uploaded probably, I'm like pre-filming, so I don't know what order I'm going to upload things, but I ordered another one of these of a different variety, and that girl that they came from said that they don't ship very well. Same with this guy. When I was talking to him, he said they can be difficult to ship, so it might be kind of wilty and fragile when I take it out. Oh, okay. Oh, he looks good. Wow, he has a lot of new growth. Ooh, this guy's cool. So he had it wrapped in newspaper, and then also has more damp newspaper and tape across the top so that all of the dirt doesn't fall out. I really like when they do that, because otherwise I open the package and dirt falls all over my carpet. I have to vacuum so much because of when I'm opening packages. I should just start doing this on like a tablecloth or plastic or something, but I hate tablecloths and it would look weird, so I just don't. It would save me the trouble of vacuuming every other day though. Nugget, you are purring so nice. Are you so excited? Nugget will like this one. Ah! Okay, this guy, I think, wow, it looks really good. I expected it to be more wilty. Oh, we lost a leaf, I think. Yep, we lost 1 leaf, but that's really good. I expected it to be worse because he was kind of concerned about it, but so here's this guy. The leaves are like silvery kind of, and the veins are different colored. They have like a film on them, almost like succulents. Like it looks like it rubs off, or it's like begonia like kind of, very fleshy. But yeah, so they're kind of silvery leaves. Do you like this, Nugget? Nugget doesn't care. I think this guy is going to either go in this terrarium behind me or else in my paludarium. Probably in my paludarium, but we'll see. I'm gonna just leave him in this pot on my shelf. Well, probably not on my shelf right behind me because it gets a lot of sun, but I'm gonna leave him in this pot for a while so he can grow a little bit more, because this is a pretty young one and I don't want to send it into any more shock than it's already in. Okay, so that was that, and I don't remember. Oh, I see a leaf popping out. I don't remember what this is. It looks like something. Oh wait, there's 2 things here. Okay. Well, I'll open this one first. Oh yeah, this is a ficus. Okay. I'm trying to think. Okay. So this is a, oh boy, I don't know if I'm going to be able to say this. Ficus. I'm just going to put the name in the description. The common name for this is oak leaf ficus though. It's a creeping ficus. Just like, hey, Nugget. Just like this one that I have. Oopsies. This is a type of creeping ficus as well. So is this guy. He has a little bit smaller leaves, and they're like, I think some people call this a frog vine or frog plant or something like that too, because the leaves kind of look like little frogs because of the shape of them, but it's obvious why it's called an oak leaf ficus. So this guy, he has it wrapped in damp moss in this little baggie as well. So his packaging has kept them really well together. They're not falling apart all over the place. So this guy is probably gonna go in a terrarium as well. I really love this. It's so cute. Okay, and then the last one from him is, oh, I remember what this is. Oh, yay. Oh, it even has new growth on it, a new little shoot. This is a vanilla orchid, and I love vanilla orchids. I really want to get a variegated one too, but they're pretty expensive. But I think they're so cool. I'm glad that he sent me the little tags with them. This one is called vanilla planifolia. That's the scientific name, but it's a vanilla orchid. So this guy is a climber. It's kind of an epiphytic plant. Do you like it, Nugget? Do you like this? Come here, Nuggies. You have to be in the camera. Come here. Look, do you like this one? That's nice, isn't it? Is that so pretty? That smells funny, huh? You smell a guy on there? So yeah, so this is a little vanilla orchid. It's a, it looks like it was a cutting that he took. So this would have been the cutting, and it's sending off this new little plant right here. I'm so excited for this guy. This is definitely gonna go in my paludarium also. I'm like, I don't know why, I'm just like obsessing over terrariums and stuff right now. And like their plants. I just really love epiphytic plants and water loving plants. Like whether it be like inside, like in a terrarium, or a water garden outside, or like just like straight up lake and river plants. I just love them. I don't know why, just like wetland plants and tropical plants I really love. So I feel like I'm gonna do a terrarium video probably pretty soon. Maybe I'll save some of these and use them in a terrarium video, except for this, well, both of these, this Frizzle Sizzle and this Hoya, those will not be going in a terrarium. They need a little drier soil. So I got 3 plants here. This little ficus, this cissus, and this vanilla orchid from, what was this person's name? Why can't I remember? Justin. And then these 2 guys from Marissa. So thank you so much, Justin and Marissa. Everything arrived really well. I'm gonna have to, oh, I dumped my little Hoya all over the ground. Good thing I needed to vacuum anyways. What is that thing, Nugget? Nugget loves the Frizzle Sizzle. I'm definitely gonna have to keep that up high because she keeps trying to eat it. No, Nugget, no, you don't eat plants. You just look at them. You can look at the other plants. Don't eat it, Nugget. Don't eat it. No, it doesn't go in your mouth. You're so silly. What about this guy? That's a nice guy. Oh, and he's got little aerial roots coming out. He's gonna be a climber. I think, yeah, I want to get more hardscapes like driftwood, and honestly, I don't even know what else. I've just been thinking about driftwood a lot and put them in my paludarium for things like, well, all 3 of these actually, for things like this to climb on. I have that dubia that I just got that will like something to climb on. I don't want it just climbing across the ground because I feel like it will rot and then it won't show up as well. You won't see it. And I also have a few orchids coming that already are mounted on driftwood or like cork wood. So those I can stick in there. So I'm just like, I'm really obsessing over terrarium and tropical plants right now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these plants. They're like some really odd things that are kind of hard to find sometimes. Like Frizzle Sizzle isn't really that hard to find, but like vanilla orchids, I've been having a tough time finding them that are like reasonably priced. Like this one was a cutting, so that's probably, I think it was $10. I think each of these ones from Justin were $10, which was a really good deal. Actually, no, they were all under 10. I think this one was 10, and then the other 2 were like 8 and 9 or something. But these guys, like on Etsy and stuff, are normally really expensive, even just the plain ones. This Cissus amazonica, This, I have never even seen this variety for sale. And then this guy, he's not too hard to find. Normally sellers will have these guys. Same with the Frizzle Sizzles. They're like not super common, but it's not super hard to find them. And then this Hoya retusa also, they're normally super, super expensive. So I was really glad that I found this one. And I don't remember how much she charged me for it, but it was very reasonable. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this was $10. I think she had these 2-inch pots for $10 and then 4-inch pots for, how much was it? Like $20 or $30, I think. I don't know, but I just went for the small one because plants grow and, you know, I don't need to be spending any more money really. So, oh, look at this cute little curlicue on here. These leaves are so cool because they're just like curly. They're kind of like onions. I wonder if they're related. I feel like they are. I don't know what family this is, but look at this cute little curlicue right there. I have no idea if it's focusing or if you can see that, but this guy is so cool. Nugget is so intrigued by this. She's just like watching it go around. What is it, Nugget? Is that nice? Is that your favorite guy now? Okay, so if you guys are also intrigued by these plants, if you love these plants, let me know. Also, if you have any stores, sellers, or plants that you would like for me to try and review, let me know in the comments, and I definitely will, especially during this quarantine when I'm like super bored. Not super bored, just a little bit more bored than usual. But yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to get notifications, and I will see you next week. Bye!